Wow, jeg er fucking skide kun gris, man. Fuck, det er ulækkert.
Manema Borat. Manema Borat.
Yo, what's going on everyone, and welcome to another video here on my YouTube channel. As you guys might already have noticed, this will be my very first video in English. Today we'll go to an abandoned children's hospital here in Germany, Berlin. Yesterday we went to an abandoned amusement park, which was a fail because it was, we weren't allowed to go in there and they were guarding dogs. You will be able to see some clips right here from yesterday.
Only way you can climb the fence, but
the signs told us that then the dogs will attack.
Yeah, right. That is happened if you climb. So no.
But well, today hopefully we will visit this abandoned children's hospital here in Berlin. So follow along and we'll get in there.
If there's something creepy that happens in there, it's very important that we keep calm and don't run away, because if you run away immediately and do some stuff like that, then that will be very dangerous, because there could be manholes in there and we want to avoid that.
I hate my
noises
life.
as well.
Yeah.
If something happens, just keep quiet.
Just keep quiet and stay together, and we'll,
and we'll die.
At least we'll die together.
Well, we'll go in there with these guys, my classmates, my friends, and well, we're entering right here.
Let's get this game going! Go. Ja, nej, du skal ikke holde mig. Så tror jeg også.
Okay guys, so we are actually in here. The house is right here. It's very freaking dark.
Gutter, aldrig nogen. Jeg skal ikke være den første, jeg skal ikke være den sidste.
So guys, we're doing everything. We're preparing for everything. Jen's right here just peeing, preparing for everything, for every situation. Like, there's a lot of different buildings here. Like 4 different buildings or something. And we don't know which one to enter.
Wait, but how should we get in? Like,
we gotta find a way. I read that there was an entrance. We gotta go this way and look for a way, because if we find a way, that'll be so nice.
No.
Like, our mission right now is to find a way in.
But I don't want to
Nu har
die.
jeg set det.
I don't want to die.
Right here we've got another house. Right here. There's another house right here. We can enter this one, or we could enter the other one over here.
Take off the light and everything. Okay, there's no light. Good. It was giving a weird reflection.
Yeah.
Like you see that light up there? Stop.
Just give me some kind of look.
What is that moving up there?
Gutter, vi er fra Vestegn. Kom nu, mand. Kom nu lidt.
Guys, and it's broken down to the basement. It's the basement down here.
So this is what I was talking about. We gotta be very careful. If we go in there will 100% be manholes in there.
Okay, so basically,
Big manhole right here, connecting down towards the basement.
Yeah.
But we'll enter there. We'll enter right there.
Nothing but trash and furniture from like
Old trash, old furniture.
and a car.
Yes, we can see car wheel right there.
Yeah, it is.
God damn, we'll get in there.
You really gotta watch out, guys. Like seriously.
Take a picture now.
Aggie students was here.
Yeah, I'll take a picture. We brought Matilda in here because basically she wants to take some photos. Guys, let's be honest. I've read other articles about people going here solo. They've got so they've been here solo.
Yeah,
So this has been a child hospital.
Facts about this hospital.
So
This is not made by me.
It was something about a guy
So for how long has it been abandoned? Like for 20 years? 21 years?
since '97.
21 years.
Okay, so the reason that it's so destroyed is actually because there come groups of people in here that like to destroy things as well. So, and they actually, this group of people have a history for destroying protected buildings. And actually in 2005, someone actually tried to buy this place here. But since they thought that it wasn't worth a lot, But actually, this place,
Yeah, well, it's not.
it's pretty difficult to own this. So actually, when they tried to do this,
But well, one of the only
they
reasons why
lost the court here.
we can kind of conclude that one of the only reasons why we are alone here is because it's the 30th anniversary of the fall of the wall.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's pretty interesting, right?
Yeah.
That we're here today
Yeah.
on
We
this
just walked
special
in,
day.
shut the
Oh damn! Like the floor has just been smashed. It's just totally collapsed.
Destroyed everywhere.
Destroyed.
So scary. Look at the
Like
roof.
both the roof, everything's just totally dead.
Right, look at the spray cans. Look at the spray cans right here.
First, people walking around, the same as us, but at the same time, the roof falling down, things like getting destroyed.
Yeah, and as mentioned, people are
Place
just.
is absolutely.
Some people will go here
Mental.
just to destroy the place. Another spray can right there. Like it's the fucking bathroom out here, I guess. It's the toilet or the bathroom. God fucking damn. It's some kind of toilet or bathroom, this one. Just empty. Most of it. A lot of graffiti, a lot of destroyed walls, destroyed windows. And it's not looking that safe, as you can see. For sure. But it's empty. Yeah. There's a beer right there, as you can see. It's 100% not safe to walk upstairs. 100%. Yeah, but the roof has been destroyed completely.
This place is definitely the scariest place I've ever been to. I
100%.
like this.
A lot of
Okay,
people.
can you also smell the spray? This is new. This is brand new. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is brand new. This could be for like maybe
Today.
I wouldn't say today. Nah, it's not for. It's not today. Maybe like 5 days ago. 5 days ago. I would say.
Probably in a week.
This is brand new.
Looks kind of brand new.
Yeah.
That's probably one of the reasons why we found the spray cans before.
Oh my god, there's a huge spider here.
Oh yeah.
Hell no. We've got some company.
It's just vibing. It's just vibing. It's just chilling there, you know.
Is this clothes?
Clothing? Where?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely
They should-
people
they should
people could have
clothing.
lived in here. For
People-
sure.
100% of people have lived in here. 100%.
Without permission.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I gotta read some more. Like this
spray
place
can
has
right
so much history. It's insane.
What the fuck, guys? That's an old iPhone screen.
That's an old iPhone screen.
Right there you go, old iPhone screen. Wow. People actually live here.
My God, we're not going up there. We're not going. That's way too scary.
Oh fuck no.
What is that?
Should we do it?
Go
I
up.
want to do it.
Go up.
There's stairs.
What is that thing up there? That's
And it's the snow.
who walks in first?
Yeah, I'll do it. Should I do it?
Jens walking first. Guys, this is the best content you can find on YouTube right now. Let's be honest. Wait, what is that? Is that a camera? Is that a camera right there, William? What is that? No, that's not like a
No, that's
camera.
not a camera.
It did look
That's
like a
just
camera.
some
though.
kind of thing to connect the.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm thinking of any cameras.
cables and stuff.
There's no electricity.
No, not anymore.
We're not walking up. There's no way. That's way too dangerous.
Just try to walk up there.
Just try to walk up there. You want your friend killed? I'm kidding.
No, but go easy, of course.
Yeah, this is
Go easy, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, should we try?
Yeah, let's try.
No,
Come
oh
with me.
my god. Okay, you guys are
Let's
crazy.
try.
Yeah, we
Can you actually walk up the
There's a
stairs?
huge freaking
This
hole.
is really. I'm not really liking this.
We don't know what's up here. Like, we just don't know. Like upstairs,
It could be people. Seriously, there could be people in here.
like upstairs, it's even more destroyed.
What is that thing? What is that thing there? Does it just go straight down there?
Yeah, like, yeah, 4 meters down.
Okay, right now.
You think this one is safe?
No, don't go up there. Don't. No, William, please don't do it. Please don't do it. We should not. We should not. You already saw how much the ceiling was cracking.
Too much weight on it. There's 5 meters, pure 5 meters down.
Damn,
I've never seen anything like this.
this is
This is
crazy.
actually so exciting. But at the same time, pretty scary.
And it's totally destroyed. But you can't even tell why the rooms were separated. You can't even tell if that one's a room or if this was a separated room or whenever anything like. Everything is just there's a second floor there.
This was a huge place.
Huge place before, and it's like 3 different buildings. Okay, guys, so actually we found out as we came here, we didn't know, but it's actually 3 or 4 different houses or buildings, which actually was this children's hospital, and we only entered one of the buildings, and it looks like the biggest one, and it's this one.
This is probably the main.
Yeah, probably the main building. Yeah.
And we're standing on a. As you probably can
Goddamn crabs they are right here.
A piece of glasses everywhere, so.
Yep. And we saw that the roof downstairs, which is the floor upstairs, was totally destroyed. So we'll walk downstairs again.
This place was previously also inhabited by a few unfortunate homeless people here. But it says in the article that we just gotta leave them alone. And they'll leave us alone.
Yeah, of course.
We'll you know, if we
keeping it real with the homeless people.
Well, it's imaginable that people would live here for a couple of years ago, but now it's too destroyed. And it's too cold.
Yeah, it's way too cold in the winter.
Also now, probably there would be a door there back in the days, but of course it's gone now. God damn. Wood, bricks everywhere. People have been eating chocolate, as you can see.
Oh my god, der er en kælder.
Damn. Yeah, we saw the basement outside. Right here you can see the stairs to the basement probably. Feels like we're walking down slowly. Yep, right here you can see that's the stairs to the basement, which we just saw outside. Heard someone here?
Yeah, literally, I just heard someone. Oh wait, there's another door. Oh wait, there's another door. Shh. Hallo? Drenge, der er sgu da nogen.
Er der?
Ja, gutter. Der er someone here.
Er du sikker?
Ja, det var someone who was forresten. No way.
Jeg er sikker på, at der er en vej lige herude.
Yeah, but that sounds so much like someone whistling from the end of the building. Did you hear this one? Yeah, I heard it as well. Fuck, that was so scary.
Jeg kunne kun høre jer.
Ej, fuck det der, jeg
That was so scary.
God damn, it's so destroyed in here. It's so...
Hello,
I'm not even joking.
We heard someone whistle, we heard someone knock, we heard everything. I'm not even joking. I'm probably never been this scared before. Probably never been this scared. Oh, 100% the other people here, we can hear them. We hear their sounds. Oh, it's people at the entrance. It's people at the entrance.
We'll go to
They are at the entrance.
We heard the sound from there. There's another sound there.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Hallo, guten Tag. When that moment when you say guten Tag, when it's literally
Men 100% der er en derinde. Der var 100% en.
100% there's someone living in this crazy building.
Yeah. So it could
have been a homeless in here.
He was knocking first.
Han kunne høre, vi kom tættere på.
Yeah. 100% he could hear that we were there, and of course we aren't supposed to be here, and him as well, but he's a homeless, and we should just leave them alone, and then they will leave us alone as well. Okay.
Hello. My name is Borat. We come with the peas.
Bare sig!
Not the peas, but the
Det
peas.
er fucking fedt.
Oh, look at this. You gotta show the surroundings of it. This place is insane. Everything has been destroyed here. They've been using hammers or something.
Yeah.
Like they're
like this is people who intentionally was just smashing, crashing, everything.
Yeah, a lot of different rooms. Probably this is some kind of room, like different rooms, or maybe rooms for the people living here. I don't know if there were people living here actually back in the day. So probably some people have lived here, some of the workers or some of the patients. But well, it's totally fucked.
This was the place we were talking about.
It's covered by
oh my
bananas.
god, I need a picture here.
It's
I need a
covered
picture.
by bananas.
It's covered by bananas. This is so cool. Like people, they've been using, what are they called? Ladders to draw this. They've been here for hours.
Can't actually really know, can you?
Yeah.
Like probably these rooms were used for I don't know, like searching the patients.
Yeah. What's this room?
And like small rooms for like.
Yeah, small rooms for like
Welcome. Let me just check you.
Kinda.
yeah, something like that. Probably the patients were checked here. People are they're gonna damage themselves like no like freezing drunk. He's just entering the basement like it's nothing.
Yeah.
We found the stairs upstairs
With a bunch of rooms everywhere.
and we realized that we thought we had been into like the main part of this house, but it's like 5 times as big as we thought. It's huge. This is the first floor.
Yeah.
Children
But-
actually live under these circumstances. Like,
God
so
damn!
much.
Look there, Chris. It's like totally smashed. These are the toilets.
And you know what, guys? Even though that looks smashed, right now there's a like button on this video. You need to smash it like this house has been smashed.
Yeah, basically. Okay, the roof right here has been totally smashed. This is the toilet. And this is the toilet. Like, I found the freaking toilet in here. Like what? But well, it would mean the world to me if you guys would subscribe to this channel, to my channel, and if you guys would like to, of course, hit this video with a huge like, because this has been a great experience. It's been a great experience being in here, being in Berlin, and visiting this abandoned children's hospital. It's been amazing. It's been a bit scary, but it's been an amazing journey.
And guys, we gotta leave this place now because obviously there are some other people here and
they are doing
way too noisy.
Yeah.
And the reason that the problem is because if they are really way too noisy, there could be locals around here and they're gonna
They would
contact
call- yeah.
either the police
Yeah,
or the
some
guards. And
we won't mess with the guards.
yeah,
For
we
real.
just
We don't know what the laws are like here in Germany, even though we're sorry.
and we have a lot of
neighbor
footage
country,
on the
but-
camera, and they're 100% gonna know that we've been recording in here.
and they will
So-
delete everything.
Yeah.
So we will leave this place by now.